And today I have 3 Little Eye pets, and they're all from Character Options, and I have Dazzle Wings, a turtle and a mouse, and I'm going to be opening them and doing a review on them. Now let's take them out of the wrapper and take a closer look. Wonder what this one's going to look like. Wow, look! These are birds! How cool is that, guys? Now let's open the pink one. I got this cute one. Put that one there. Oh, look at this pink one. That's so adorable. Now for the orange one. Wow, look at these mice. They're so cute. I love them all. Guys, look at what we've got. Here are the mice, the turtles, and the birds, and they're all for ages 5+. Now I'm going to open all of them and have some fun. Here they are out of the packaging, and they're so cute and lovely. And the turtles and the mice actually move, and the birds talk. To activate the turtles, there's a button right here. To activate the mice, the teeth is actually the little switch. That's cute. And the birds, the button's just right here. Now I'm going to turn the turtles on so they can have a race. Ready, steady, go! The pink one's in the lead. And the pink one's won! Yay! Turtles were cool. Already have a few of those in different colours. Now let's show you how the birds work. Well, the switch right here, just turn it on. I'll just turn this one on. Hi friends! Hello? Also make their own noises by pressing this button on their chest. These birds are awesome, but don't leave them on or they'll be tweeting all night long. Guys, now I'm going to show you the mice. Guys, these are crazy. Here we go! Whoa! Whoa! That's going crazy, it's even falling over. Woo! Whoa! Woo! Whoa! These mice are the new Little Eye pets that came out this year, and they are fast. My favourite Little Eye pets is the birds. And can you let me know in the comments down below which one's your favourite? And I'd like to say a big thank you to Character Options. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye!
Hi everybody.